how to use the apps, support, resources, and educational tools. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to effectively use an app's support, resources, and educational tools. So in this example, I'll be simply showing from an example of Pinterest. So you can basically first identify the specific resources available, such as example tutorials or frequently asked questions or forums or help desks, and then explore how they can be accessed and utilized. So to identify the available resources, look for the section within the app labeled as help or support, just like this, or also fact that is frequently asked question or resources. This could be a dedicated page or menu item or a chat bubble icon. And you can also actually use the app's educational tool into your learning process. For example, if the app has an interactive exercises, use them to practice and reinforce concepts. And if the app offers gamification features like points or badges or leaderboards, use them to make learning more engaging and motivating. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.